Ape.
एक तारीख से शेड्यूल बना लिया, 2 तारीख को पैसा मिलेगा। 2 तारीख को पैसा मिलेगा। पहले दिन
Doesn't 36 yet? Did you get me 100? No, it's smaller. I'll get me change when I come back, yeah? Thank you. Do you have it ready or better when I come back? Do you want to give my change back now or when I come back? Huh? Okay, when I come back, yeah. Thank you. Everybody, good morning. Diba? Irritable sa reception. Hoy, again ha, everybody. So, if you come to India, diba? Ang dami kong warning, diba? I'm warning you a lot just so you can mentally prepare yourself. Okay? And this is also what you're gonna get the most from other travelers as well. So, if you see me like medyo nagtataray or masungit, or parang wala sa mood, I am not, okay? But sometimes, you just kind of feel like you're done. Like, please, not today. Because everything is literally just like, not everything naman, okay? But like, ano ba? No system, not organized. But when it comes to money, parang ang bilis-bilis. Gets mo yon? Yung parang, if you're paying, they will accept. Agad-agad, kahit hindi pa naaayos yung kailangan mong gawin. So, that irritates me a lot. Parang it's always, it's about, I'm so sorry, but it's always about money, something like that. So, ayun lang. That's one thing that I'm not really happy about the place. But, culture-wise, again, I'm happy. So, ayun. Oh, tigilan lang pang babash. This is the reality of life. Not because I have camera, I have to be good. I have to be nice. No. Diba? Everybody is doing the same, trust me. Even the other foreigners, most especially other Indians, mas malala yung mga lokal. When they fight the receptionist, they really fight, they really shout. So, I think I'm still better because I'm just giving the irita expression in my face. Anyways, this I'm gonna take you to I think I haven't done any breakfast with me. So, ayun. Sama ko lang kayo kung anong ginagawa or kinakain ko in the morning. So, wala si noodles. Wala si noodles. Hala. No, egg. Where's the noodles?
अभी लेट थोड़ा मैं
No chai. Nahi chai nahi. The egg. And the egg.
ब्रेड ऑमलेट
How much only if fried egg? Fried egg, no bread. Ano to? Breakfast content. Can you just put this here? Sorry. Ba, lagay ako ng camera ko kung saan-saan. Yaman na. Everyday naman ako kumakain sa kanya. Kilala niya na ako. We don't like the bread for today's video. I don't like it. I just want just the egg. I should have brought my coffee pala. I forgot my coffee. Okay, I'll just do that when I come back.
मैम आप इसकी इधर आइए
What? Ano daw? Same. The 50 butter.
अरे वो बटर में आमलेट यार कल बनाया था इनका
Same. Yeah, the 50. Yes. Mabait yan. Sa lahat ng binibilang ko, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Talagang yung mabait. Yes. Yung mukhang hindi ka uutakan, gets mo yun? Siya lang yung gusto ko. Oh, in case curious kayo ha. Oh, diba? I told you. Oh, again ha, to those who's not... Are you the noodles?
अभी
I want noodles.
2 बजे
No?
मैम 2 बजे
2 minutes?
लेट
Late?
लेट
Why? Okay, sige rin na lang yung lunch ko. Later, I'm gonna go back again. My God, I thought I can eat noodles as well. Okay, let's just do it here. Nagsiset up pa lang. Maaga ba ako? Hindi ko alam kung maaga ba ako or what. Ako ba yung may kasalanan? Sorry naman. Can I sit? Bye. Sit. Okay. Oh, okay
Come
daw.
down.
Ay, come down. Ay, baka tumaob ako. Hindi ba ito tataob? Wait lang, baka tumaob. May tubig pa. Wait. Ay! Sabi ko ni. Magluluto ako ng sarili kong egg. Because why not? Give me the egg. No, I don't like that. I just want the like this. This one I want, yeah. No scrambled. Yeah, this, okay?
Yeah. You have to family.
To, yeah. The camera, yes. Ay! Yes, this one. Namak. Namak. Diba? Yan, ako na yan. Kakamay na yan. Pwede na yan. Because I just want like fried. I don't like the scrambled. Sorry naman. You want? You buy? Sorry, your tissue. Where's your tissue? Hello. Napicturean pa ako. Tapos itinakbo yung camera ko, ano? Yan. Okay.
Ma'am, spicy, no spicy?
Nay, spicy, nay.
No spicy.
Nay. Where's your, pias? Diba? Good morning, India. Magluto tayo ng sarili kong egg. Bakit? Yeah, you can put shukriya. Ay, ang dami. Ginalingan mo naman. But ang dami mo nilagay. Okay. This I like. Okay.
मैम आपके हस्बैंड से बात हो रही है
Ha?
हस्बैंड से बात हो रही है आपकी
What?
मतलब आपके हस्बैंड से बात हो रही है
What? Hurry up?
मतलब आपके हस्बैंड से
Ha?
आपके हस्बैंड से बात हो रही है
What does it mean? English. Little English. Bigyan mo lang ako ng keyword. May iintindihan kita. Diba? Ala, mag-bye na kayo. Good bread. Bye-bye. Bye, egg. No, the bread, no. Just give me two. Where's the plate? Plate. Okay, puro pagpapakyut, bumili kayo. Antanan niyo ako. Yeah. No, the bread. Yes. Sorry, ginugulo kaya. Yeah. Do. Di ba two? Only two. Do. Okay, shukriya. Just like that. Okay. No need to fry. Because too much oil. We don't want that. Diba? I'm trying to lose weight. Okay, good. Naabala ko siya. Picture daw. Selfie? Okay, selfie. Diba? My God, kuya. Oh, discount to ha. Charis lang. Gusto ko yung noodles niya. Siya, sarado pa. Yung selfie na, let's go. Selfie. Ako na magkiklik for you, oh. Amazing. Do you like that? Nagluto ng itlog sa India because why not?
देखा अंडे वाले हम
Yan. Ganyan lang yung gusto ko. Ayoko nung scrambled egg. Where's the trash bin?
मैम आज इधर
Ah, there. Okay. Bakit? Ganito yung gusto kong pagkain sa umaga. Ako nang bahala dito. Oh, give me discount Charis. Total ako naman nagluto. Charis lang. Nang abala na nakika pa ng discount. Bad trip yung mga ganyang customer, no? Yung mga dumadating ng late, tapos manghihingi pa ng discount. Yung 5 minutes lang, magsasara na yung store, nanghingi pa discount. Gago, sampaling po talaga sila. But if you have a business, you know that every customer counts. Done. Nagluto ng itlog. Ayun, amazing yan. Go. Dito tayo. Naguguluhan sila sa akin. Pasensya naman. Kailangan ko kasi magpa-araw. Kailangan natin ng araw. Ayun na yan, kumain na tayo. Ano, yung kutsara. Spoon. Shukriya. Wala. Ito yung itlog na gusto ko. Kasi when you buy here, it's just scrambled. So, niluto ko na yung sarili ko. Ako, niluto ko na yung sarili. I cook my own. I cook for my own. Diba? Alam mo, morning pa, diba? Hindi gumagana yung English. And if you buy something here, always tell them to to lessen the salt. Just say less, namak little. Sabihin nyo lang ganon. Namak little. Kasi dahil kung maglagay sila ng asin, kala mo last day mo na mag-aasin on earth. Everybody, this is like the continuation of my vlog earlier and my breakfast. Like just a quick tour inside the metro station here in Delhi because I've heard that they have like one of the best metros in the world. So yeah, I'm gonna be touring you inside. See how it looks like. Very quick lang to ha. I'm going somewhere to fix my laptop. Not laptop, just my cable, something like that. And also have my like sorry, my camera fixed. That's it. Oh, everybody is still using my phone just to show you like how the place looks like inside. So, yun. O, diba? Inshallah. Kaya meaning nyo, it looks beautiful. O, diba? I don't want to use my other camera right now because I don't want anyone approaching me. Hey, that's not allowed. So just use the phone, diba? Okay. Oh, and that's it. Everybody, so yeah, I'm here right now sa metro station ng India. Hoy, I'll be very honest. This is one of the best things that India, I think, has to offer. Their metro station is really, really good. Might be confusing cause ang gwapo naman nun, shit. Hala, ang gwapo nun, wait lang. Kita nyo ba yung nakapulong nasa right? Like, shit, ang gwapo. Parang, hala, stay na pala ako. I will forget all the scams and nakakairit ang nangyari dito. Charis. But anyway, so yeah, that's the place. O, diba? Ano lang to, quick lang to. So this is Nehru. We went to India's, teka nga, ikot ako ng ikot, baka nahihilo na kayo. I went to India's electronic Knemperut place because my laptop's power cable is broken. So nakakainit ng ulo. But anyways, so riding the metro, going back, and see you this evening time. I'll just probably, have some food outside. Okay, bye-bye. Let's go inside first. Can I just be here? Okay. O, diba? Bongga. I like it. Nasha, everybody, Kay Toretto. It's evening time. And, this is ano ba? So, for today's video, naka na tayo, no? So, di ba, nag-breakfast ako this morning. Okay. I cook egg. Tapos, I showed you just a little, no? The metro station. Hoy, I like their metro station. Parang, wait nga, nalaglag yung ko. Kala mo may dede. Basta wala kasing hahawakan. Nalaglag yung strap nung sando ko. Diba? Sando talaga, diba? Siyempre, pag wala kang boobs, sando lang tawag dyan. Uy, anong tawag dito? Asan ako? So, this morning, wait lang, sorry, medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko when I woke up. So, ayun, I was supposed to make another content today, something pasabog, but when I woke up, I was like, ay, leave it na, I don't want. Gusto ko kasi yung pasabog, yung content na yun. So, gusto ko full energy, so I would like rest na lang today. So, ayun, we had breakfast this morning. Tapos, I showed you like few minutes video of what's inside the metro station on how it looks like. So now, another food trip. But quick lang, I'm just ending my day with the dinner. So, alam mo tong vlog na to, whole day talaga to. Kasi nag-start tayo morning, di ba? So, medyo pagod talaga ako. And then, I walk almost 12,000 kilometers. 12,000 steps today. So, I'm so happy. So, ayun. I just wanna show you this part of New Delhi because it's beautiful. Let me show you. This is, literally what's outside of my hotel. O, di ba? It's beautiful, this part. So I was like, dugtong ko na lang, I was thinking just to continue my vlog for tomorrow. And then I was like, no, you deserve to see this place. You deserve to see the beautiful side of India. Diba? I like this. Pero kapag lumingon ka on the other side, this is how it looks like. It's so busy, a lot of people. So I'm gonna take you there as well. But first, I'm gonna look for a dinner and then quick tour outside the metro station, the New Delhi metro station. If I'm not mistaken, if you can see that, wait, I'll show you. If you can see that, the New Delhi something. That's opposite side, that's where I'm living. Okay. Hoy, kayo na pa ako curious since this afternoon kung what's that. It looks like biryani in my eyes, but I will check the rice first. For tonight's video, full bangs with the haggard face. Diba? I was parang when we arrived this afternoon sa hotel, parang dead ma. I slept. Tapos I literally just woke up and it's around, I don't know what time. I think almost 7. And I was thinking, I want to eat something. I want to finish my day with a good dinner and a good chai, which I can see. I think I'm gonna buy chai here, but later na. And then, I'll take you outside first. Let's do that. Okay, let's keep walking. Let me show you like a bit more of the place. Because this part of New Delhi, I really appreciate. Because it looks so beautiful. Yeah. No entry kaya talaga to? Hi. Mukha naman pwedeng mag-entry. Okay, let's keep looking for a food. If you hear me doing like that, yung ganun lang yung energy ko. Hala. Parang may mga kainan na magaganap dito. Oh. Hala, may chai din. Mukhang malinis. Okay, the chai here looks malinis. So I think we're gonna have chai here or maybe sa una kong nakita. Oh, see? When you go outside, you're gonna see KFC. Okay, again, for those people who wanna make sure that they're gonna be eating clean food, but not so healthy naman, but still, compared to food poisoning, I would always choose KFC. KFC makes me feel home. KFC, ay, ang OA naman nung ko sa KFC, kala mo naman talaga meron silang pabigay. KFC, baka naman. 'Di ba? Ano ba naman yung isang bucket? For 1 year. 'Di ba? My mom would really be happy. Sabihin niya, oh my God, may pinatutunguhan na yung vlogging mo. I was able to read some comments about, I'm sorry not to burst your bubble. Kala naman na naiintindihan ko. Tagalogin nyo, kung gusto nyo akong i-bash. Huwag nyo akong i-bash sa English kasi hindi ko maintindihan yan. Ulo ka. Oh wait, change plan. Huwag na pala KFC. Because I had KFC chicken wings before we went home. Hello. So let's choose another place. 'Di ba? Ganun lang talaga yung mga reply ko sa mga tuk-tuk. Oo. Kasi nakakabwisit na talaga sila as in, ang pushy. Tapos minsan kapag hindi mo mangungulit, yung parang medyo hahawakan pa yung braso mo, nakakabwisit. So ganun na lang. Unless pag na-feel ko talagang mabait, okay, I'll talk to you. But if I feel like you're not, dead ma. Walang magaganap na chika. Okay, let's go. Doon tayo sa bustling, doon tayo sa busy part. Doon tayo. Piling ko ang taba ng pes ko. Kaya mo na? Anong ganap ko? Okay, so our goal today is to find a good place. Yung mga sagigilid, but the one... Mukhang masarap, shucks. That looks clean and safe. May biryani dito, I know. Oo. Ano lang tayo, half-half lang. Konti-konti lang, so we can eat a lot. Diba? Ayoko niyan. Hindi ko alam niyan. Pag hindi alam, ayoko niyan. Maghanap tayo. Ano doon? Okay, let's go there. Medyo busy-busyhan doon. Tara doon tayo. Ay, kung maraming nangyayaring paluto dito si Mayor. Wait lang, let's check this. Do you see? Do you see what they're doing if you don't give attention to them? Diba, nakakabwisit? They will shout to you. Like that. Nakakabwisit lang. Hindi nakakatuwa. Diba? Ganon. Talagang sisigawan ka nila sa likod mo, sa tenga. They would literally shout to you, at your back, just to get your attention. So, instead of you checking what they're trying to offer, mababwisit ka na lang. Ay, parang walang laps pala sa part na to. Ano yun? Ay, ito. Hala, ito. Diba? Nangahan talaga ako. I'm really looking for biryani. That's our goal for today. For tonight. So we can end this vlog in a good way. Eating something really, really good. Hala, may manok. Mukhang masarap dito. Ano to? Masarap pa yung chicken biryani nila. Wait. Let's keep looking pa. Pero parang okay na ako doon. Otherwise, wag na lang. Bumalik tayo sa KFC. Ang daling kausap, di ba?
आराम से फोन लगा
Ay, alam ko na. Noodles! My God. Okay, noodles. I know na where to buy. Mag-noodles tayo. But first, let me show you the other side of the road. Okay, let's make another towed. Without getting killed. Without getting hit by a car. Okay, let's go back. Wait lang, hindi ako makatawid. There's a lot of sasakyans. Okay, go. Let's go. Hoy, I think I know na what to eat. Shukriya. Oh, another anong chika ko? Another iwas scam tip. Yung mga nag-aaya ng ganyan, make sure to settle with the price first before kayong sumakay, okay? Never ever ride without confirming how much is it. Okay. And if they ask more, say no. Be matapang to say no. Mag-alo parata kayo.
Hello.
Hi. Mukhang malinis dito, hala. It's okay, syukriya. Maybe I will come back. Still checking. Thank you. Syukriya. Ay, ano to? You have chicken biryani?
Chicken biryani.
Muton.
50 rupees.
No, you have muton biryani?
No mutton biryani, only chicken biryani.
Okay, 50. Okay. Dito tayo mukhang malinis. Mukhang nag-effort sa mga light. Okay. Hello, okay. Hello. Sorry, can I ask you what's that? Okay. Oh, later, I'll eat the biryani first. Okay. O, magbiryani muna tayo. Bago tayo magbili ng kung ano-ano. Dito lang to. Ganito lang sa India. Upo-upo lang kayo anywhere. Teka, hanahanap ako ng pwesto yung camera ko. Huwag kang babagsak. Yun lang naman yung dream na. Yun lang naman yung goal ko. Huwag kang babagsak. Oo. Huwag mong hayaan na... My God, kinakabahan ako for my camera. Wait lang, lagay ko nga yung bag ko dito to be sure. Ay, spicy or no?
Spicy.
You don't have no spicy. Sorry, spicy. Sorry. Spicy. Yeah, normal. sorry. Do you have this part? It's done. Wait. Wait. Do you have this? Diba, iniwanan ko talaga yung bag ko doon. This.
Leg.
Thigh and leg. Okay, shukriya. Okay, thigh, ha? Okay. Ayun. Parang mainit na. Ang OA na nasuot. Tanggalin na natin. Hey, 50 rupee lang to. Hala, ang social, di ba? Ay, ang social, ang tipid, di ba? Bongga. Hala, onion, yeah. Hoy, let's eat. Hala. In case naman na-curious kayo kung ano to, di. Tama. Dahil ng buhok ko. Tsaka. Kagigising lang kasi. Lumabas eh. Diba? Diba? 50 lang may daps ka na. Maanghang pa rin. Ba't kaya mo na? Tsura ko, diba? Yung alam mo, kagigising lang. Ang OA, ang ahang ng biryani. Can I use this? Yeah. Okay, good. Ang konti naman.
Yeah, Charlie.
You should try
Sorry?
pickle of carrot.
Yeah, okay.
It's little bit spicy.
Okay, I can try it. Yeah, sure. Kita ba? Hindi nakita yung nilalaps ko. Inilagay sa dyaryo. It's too little. Can you put more? Little more. Little more. Yeah. It's too little. It's too little. Shukriya. Parang ang anghang din. Ano ba? Para may idea kayo kung ano yung nilalaps ko. Just so you'll know what I'm eating right now. This one, I really like this. It's one of my favorites. And this one, I don't know if it's spicy or it's because of the biryani. We will see. So, ang anghang, sumasakit yung tiyan ko, shucks. Tingin siya na tingin sa camera. Bigay mo yung gusto. Kayo naman, ito na. Isinawsaw ko siya, shucks. Ayan. Sumasakit ulit yung tiyan ko. We're gonna try to end this night with something sweet, I guess. It's really kind of spicy, but I like it. But yeah, just a bit though. Kinamay. Why in India they call this paratha. In Dubai we call this like roti or chapati. I'm done. I don't like that. Bye, how much? How much? Next, ano tayo? Shukriya, nice meeting you. Enjoy your evening. Next stop tayo, ma. Ang hang shoota. Oh, everybody, alam mo, tapos ito dito. Oh, magsashine na lang naman ako. Sino naman ma-interest? Sino naman tao interesadong makitang duminom ako ng chai? Oh, everybody, again, that's gonna be it. So, I hope na na-enjoy nyo tong araw na to. It's, full day vlog kinemperut. Ang dami pa palang laps dito. But anyways, yeah, again, this is Kate, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, whoever you're with right now, I hope that you're happy. And if not, always remember tomorrow is another day. So, yeah, that's gonna be it. Bye-bye. Enjoy your life. Mag-bonus clip tayo ng bonus clip tayo. Spicy or no? I don't like spicy. Hindi, wait. Baka kasi maanghang. Wait. I'm gonna call my friend. O, bonus clip tayo. Baka lang din man gusto niyo makita na nun. Sir, do you speak English? Is it spicy? No.
Which one?
This one. Is spicy
This
or
is
no?
not spicy.
They did not put masala?
Yes, it's not spicy.
Okay, Ek. I'll try first, Ek. Subukan natin. No spicy ha, please. How much is it?
अब कितने पूछ रही है कितने का 10 rupees.
Okay, anong lighter? Okay. I wanna sit. Can I sit there? Yeah, okay. Po tayo. Mag-upo tayo. Talaga naman. Hello. Ayan, mag-chai tayo. Hoy, sana yung chai. Wait nga. Asan na ba? Thank you. Sorry. Hoy, sana yung chai, hindi maanghang. Kasi for some reason, gusto niyo ba hello. Hoy, I hope hindi maanghang yung chai. Alpay na.
Where are you from, ma'am?
Ha?
Where are you from?
The Philippines. Do you know Philippines or no?
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, Philippine.
It's a very beautiful country.
Really? What do you know about the Philippines? Ay, thank you. Beautiful country. Charot-charot Sorry?
Thanks for
Ha? What?
Philippines and
Ano yan? Ha? You don't know. It's okay. Hala, may ipis. O, diba? Chai with ipis.
belonging with you, ma'am.
Yeah.
So channel.
I wanna search it now. Shukriya. YouTube, yeah.
You okay, subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. Oh, thank you. Maganda yan. Yeah, it's good, not spicy. Finally. Hoy, kasi in India, I think some chai, they put something like a pepper or masala. I'm not sure what's that, but I don't like that. I want the creamy one lang. Everybody, that's gonna be it. I'm just gonna have my chai here. Oh, wait lang. In case you want to know where I am right now. Di ba? Para lang makita nyo kung nasan ako. So, ayan. So, that's where I'm staying, somewhere there. O, tapos, ayan siya. O, diba? Earlier, we were walking there. O, diba? Then, down that place, you're gonna see like a lot of places to eat, to have biryani, fruits, everything. Like, you can also buy clothes. So, ayun. O, ayun na yun. So, everybody, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa again, full day vlog na to. Again, this is Kate Herrero. Bye-bye.